Hey there, traders. Trader Tim here, coming to you from tjmactrading.com. Going to be doing a little piece on getting started in futures trading. So, for those of you interested in getting started trading the E-minis, particularly the ES, the S&P E-mini S&P, going to put together a little video of what I like to look at here. The most important thing I find when trading when day trading, first of all, is the market internals, and it's extremely important to have a grasp of what's going on internally in the market. So there's three areas that I like to look at specifically, and that would be the market breadth up here, the advanced decline line, advancing stocks to declining stocks, and the tick. And then over here in the bottom right corner, I have the actual ES. Now, these are all 15-minute charts here. I'm using the Thinkorswim platform. The flexible grid, I have it set up in 4 boxes here so I can see everything on one screen. In the top left corner here, I have the breadth, which is simply $UVOL minus $DVOL. And that simply gives us the amount of up volume minus the amount of down volume, giving us a net number here. Then in the upper right, I have the advancers to decliners, and that's simply $ADVN minus $DECN, and that results in a net number of the advancers minus decliners. So in this particular case, we have a net of 1,878 stocks to the upside, to the positive, and over here we have a breadth of 4.07. Now, on the bottom left, I have the tick, which is the short-term index, and it's simply a short-term index that tracks the last tick of stocks traded. And these are all for the NYSE here. So this breadth number, this advancers to decliners, and this tick is all NYSE reading. So this tick I have set up with a 0 line here in blue, and then I have 1,000 plus 1,000 line up here and minus 1,000 line down here. And what we're looking for is extremes. And when we see extremes, when we see a tick reach 1,000 or negative 1,000, we're looking to fade. We're looking to do the opposite. So when we see a tick reading come up here and touch 1,000, we're looking to short if we're in a downtrend. And if the tick comes down and touches the negative 1,000, we're looking to go long in an uptrend. So essentially, we're looking for a coupling and a conjunction of these indicators aligning. So, for instance, we'd like to see a positive breadth with a positive AD line, the ES in an uptrend, and a negative tick, which should be a very high probable trade for going long. On the other side, if we had a negative breadth here, a declining breadth, if more volume was flowing into down stocks and the AD line was in the negative, as well as a tick that came up here and touched or got close to the positive 1,000 level, we would look to short any rally in a downtrend. So that's how I have my screen set up. Like I said, market internals over here, and then simply the ES. I'm looking at a 15-minute chart here. These are all on 15-minute, but you can apply these to any time frame essentially. It's important to keep all 4 on the same time frame so that you can compare from one to the other. So check out the blog, tjmactrading.com, and check out the YouTube videos as well. TJ Mac Trading is our YouTube channel, and watch for updates. Take care.